This video was designed for users of the BE FREE Advanced Ortho Keratology lens system that employ the Medmont corneal topographer. This video will describe how these two systems work together to create efficiency in orthokeratology practice. The BE FREE software imports in the corneal topography to create a highly customized lens for each and every eye. With accurate corneal topography data, the correct parameters are constructed for the patient, and that assures the highest first fit success possible. Therefore, the pre-fitting corneal topography is very important to the success in Ortho K. When capturing the corneal topography, ask your patient to open up as wide as possible, and that will limit the lid and lash interference that may block the rings from getting access to reflecting off the corneal surface. The more corneal coverage that you can achieve, the more accurate your initial lens is likely to be. Be aware that reflection-based topographers, placido topographers, reflect off the tear film. If there's tear film breakup, then the rings can't accurately reflect off the eye surface to understand its shape. Have the patient blink regularly. If you have a dry eye patient, instill some artificial tear to try to smooth out that ring reflection. But always have the patient blink regularly to maintain that normal tear film quality. Here we can see a good placido topography capture, where the lids are primarily out of the way. The eyelash shadows are minimized. The rings appear to reflect in a parallel and even manner. Consider that the central rings are the most important. The topographer begins to build the eye shape from the center to the periphery. An accurate interpretation of the center will most likely give you the best chance of an overall accurate topography. The preferred instrument of the BE FREE Advanced Ortho Keratology lens system is the Medmont, and that's because its accuracy is so high. In a study at Hong Kong Polytechnic University by Tan and colleagues, they found the Medmont and BE FREE together had a 95% first fit success rate. Medmont users can be very confident with their fitting using the Medmont and the BE FREE system together. When taking the initial pre-fit topography captures with your patient, always take multiple images. When the maps are reproducible, that gives you confidence that you have an accurate corneal topography. Medmont users have the benefit of the proprietary composite eye capture, which allows you to image 100% of the cornea from limbus to limbus. And this is the recommended baseline capture that you should take prior to starting in orthokeratology and with the BE FREE system. No other system works more efficiently with the BE FREE than the Medmont corneal topographer. There are a few things that you can do in the software that will help to make your initial lens calculation as fast, accurate, and efficient as possible. The first of 3 steps that Medmont users want to do is click on the patient name. Then go over and click on the Clinical tab, and then enter the RX. With the RX entered, this will automatically populate in the BE FREE system when the topographies are uploaded. The second thing is to highlight the baseline maps. Right-click on the topography, then select under the categories the baseline. Again, click on the topography, right-click, and select baseline. And this will tell the BE FREE software which maps to build the lens from. The final item is to define the visible iris diameter so you have the most accurate BE FREE lens diameter. Go up to Display and uncheck the color map so you can observe white to white. Then go to Annotate, select the Iris Definition tool, then click the cursor on one side of the eye, drag the circle to the opposing side, making sure that you're aligned both vertically and horizontally to the borders of the visible iris. Once that's selected, the BE FREE software will know what appropriate diameter to fit this patient in. Let's go over to the left eye and do the same thing. We'll go up to Annotate, click on the Iris Definition tool, find the visible iris diameter border on the one side, pulling the circle to the opposing side, making sure that it's well aligned 360 degrees around. Now we have the 3 items we need to send the maps to the BE FREE software. We have, under the Clinical tab, the RX entered. We have both the right and left topographies highlighted as the baseline maps. And finally, both maps have the visible iris diameter defined. We're now ready to send these topographies to the BE FREE software. Let's go up to Home. We can go over to the cloudlink icon and automatically upload the topographies to the BE FREE site. The application will give us confirmation the maps were successfully uploaded to the BE FREE site. Then we can efficiently port ourselves directly to the site and the patient file in the BE FREE by selecting Click to View Patient. The BE FREE site has accepted the maps that we've sent through the cloudlink. It has imported in the patient name, the date of birth, the RX, the visible iris diameter defined by us in Medmont. Then most importantly, the topography itself that allows us to calculate the lenses. The next video will take you through the brief steps of calculating your custom BE FREE lenses and electronically ordering them through the system with precision and cardinal. If you have any questions about this video, the BE FREE or the Medmont, contact the Precision and Cardinal team for more information. Thank you.